vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Yes, blessed love and greetings all my viewers and subscribers. Pick up on yourself, all my kings and queens, my lioness. I hope all is blessed and I give thanks for the sunshine. Wherever you are in the world, I don't know, morning, evening, you know what I mean, afternoon. Welcome to the channel, you know what I mean. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. So right now this is a follow-up relating to Fanton Mojah. Right now I'm up on my balcony, I will look at sunbath. You see me? Yeah, soon come all 5. None sleep last night, when I stood there to some work. And I built a load of board. Zane, yes. So yeah man, Fanton Mojah. First and foremost, I want to big up, give a shout out to MD2K TV, see? Yeah man, big up. So I say shout out to Laser Dan, big up yourself. So I say Terry Bubbler, big up yourself. Love the reasoning, brother. I talk facts. Zine? Everything when you talk is factual, and I appreciate that you understand where I'm coming from as well. So I say, yeah man, big up Lion Pa, big up, you see me? Big up on yourself. So I say, big up. We just love our the interaction and the reasoning. So I say, yeah man, and big up Kelmark TV as well. You see it? Yeah man, a greatness. Big up Dennis Bailey. Everybody big up on yourself. You see? Howard Fraser, big up yourself, General. See? Manners and respect. Yeah man, big up the Army Pastor too. See? Yeah man, and Terry Bubbler. Up. Now my viewers and subscribers. Yesterday I did a vlog with Fanton Mojah and him sang Touch That Body. Zine, he's getting a lot of bashing. You know what I mean? And you don't know. There's 2 sides to every story and everything. Zine, so me do a review and I say, yo, boy, Fanton no care. He no care. He might go hard with him thing. But the way me see life, you know what I mean? I come out, I travel many different countries and you know what I mean? Back when we were youth in Jamaica, we burn the fire red and certain things, but living in a foreign country for over the years, that doesn't we lose the morality or nothing, you know, but we kind of adjust ourselves and know how to live amongst people because they don't know we live many different races. You see what I say? Many different cultures, many different beliefs. See, so I, as a football coach and referee, I do a lot of training session and also a mentor. You see me? And assessors for young referees. See, working in schools and all that stuff. I did a lot of diversity training, empathy, you know what I say? Equality, you know what I mean? So my mindset kind of adjusts certain way. That means we are selling morality, we forget where we come from and lose the way or what. No. See, so when I hear me say I'm not about Fanton Mojah, because my belief is each man to their own downfall and uprising. Zine, judge it not, you know. We know say the fire of a burning about. Things and time change, the world change, and where you're going to use fire with fire, you see some people out the road and you're going to trouble them and you end up going to lose. You end up going to jail, you lock up because you make people business bad. That is why I say to bash Fanton. You see me? Even though he might forget bashing, you know, him forget bash because he not keep the thing real as a bubble. And me never expect that from him to go so raw. We never expect him to go so raw hard. You see me? From Fire King, I love the video, I love the song. To be honest. See? But Fanton and them man they were say Bubble Hill and Turban and them things. You see me? He let down the Rasta community, to be fair and frank. You see what I say? Because me never expect the music from Fanton. But when the man come on stage and the man say nobody can rush him, the man say, yo, I'm fans of music him I do. See, music him I do. Then me I say, you know what, I can't tell a man, each man to their own downfall. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. I hope you understand where I come from. You see me? I not say no forget fire, you know, but each man to their own. See, if a man want to do him thing, me not going to tell him say don't do it. Make him go do it and buck him too. You see me, I drop in the gutter, the gully or whatever, or the fire. That's why I say each man to their woman now go burn him. You see me, but Fanton Mojah, I nah lie. Zine, next my viewers and subscribers, me did do in the vlog I do yesterday. Me I say, yo, Dr. Love did a video. I tell him, say, in welcome him to the freaky world. Zine, I mean, I say, judge, I say, Fanton calls for himself. Everybody had this, no respect. You see, Foota say, no respect for Rasta. No, Dr. Love say, invite Fanton to the freaky world. That is a big level of disrespect. They say, no. Zine. So I said, we don't know why Dr. Love said that. If anybody aware of any song of Fanton sings so, someone reach out to me, they say, I say, we got Adrian, they say, I say, yo, yeah, but the one do a song in my bed or something like that. Home in my bed. Let me see. You see me? I say, yeah. I forgot to touch upon it, you see me? Home in my bed. Song named Home in My Bed. I can put the link in the description. You can listen to the song. It's like an Afrobeat style. Zine. And there's a part in it where the man I say, the Fanton I say, this has to stop. If it leak out, we gotta get. Remember when I say, I just listen to this song. So I say, big up Adrian. Why Fanton I go hard? But not lie. I'm play the song right now. I can hear. If this leak out, it will bring a shame. I'm not sure it starts, but I just got a little piece. Because I know copyright law and them things. You see me? So, I'm run piece. I couldn't hear it. Thinking loud, oh, trouble came. You hear the man's soulful voice. And the man flip it in it. Yo. Got to stop, are we insane? This has to stop. Are we insane? Are we insane? See? If this leak out, it will bring a shame. If this leak out, it will bring a shame. No, with Fanton saying that in his song. What am I going to expect people to think? If this leak out, it will bring a shame. I could have watched what them are doing in my bedroom. The song named Home in My Bed. Zin? Still we play this deadly game, Home in My Bed. Still we play this deadly game, Home in My Bed. Yeah, the man say if this leak out, it will bring a shame. So that now, because you see them ask the question and they say, why Dr. Love would have invite the man to the freaky world? Must have sang, yeah. And this song was released almost a week ago. Home in My Bed, boy. Wanted to go hard. You see me? No. You know, Sizzler, Capleton, how the man is supposed to feel right now. They feel like them fire get cool up, then now burn the fire again or things and time change. Them them afraid for burn the fire. Because for the past few years, you know, the man them now burn the fire, because the man don't lose them visa and can't travel. That's why I say, you know, when I see people that do them things, they leave them, because you go end up start burn them and fight them and you end up in a and you go to jail. You see them push the gender equality, diversity, the LGBT and everything, you know. So we have to just live and live how we are live and let others live and just mind who own a business. That is why I say I really bash Fanton, even though where am I going with still is a disrespect to the Rasta community. As a man, we're in the bubble and in turban for a long time. You see me I say? You see, it's not like ordinary Rasta where you know say, yeah, but them man there, you can put them up there with Sizzle and Capleton them. You see me I say? So that never wasn't expected from Fanton, the way I go hard. You see me? Yeah, but at the end of the day, I still stick to him. I say, I nah bash him. You see me I say? Yeah, because you know, me myself sing some of them songs there. Well, not so hardcore still, but you know what I mean? Yeah, I try to keep it real and positive and upriteful. You see me, but I drop a song with the name, you know, Produce. You see what I say? Yeah, but I just life. My viewers and subscribers, I don't want to think. Capleton, afraid to burn the fire. You feel them going to rush Fanton one of them time, yeah? We do boot of Baruch must have screw right now. You see me, I know Muta Baruch must have school right now. But I don't want to think, man, if you think Fanton Mojah on a pre-immense right now, yeah, them are going to move to him one of them time, yeah. You see me, I don't know. But Fanton said, why they can't rush with him, I'm a bad bubble, I'm the bad bubble. He just sing music, you see me, and I don't know why I start, the man is doing thing, and me personally now go tell a man what to do. Even all when they're wrong, you see me? Yeah, maybe tell them say them wrong, but me nah go bash a man and say, each man to their own. I saw me see life right now. You see me? Yeah, I saw me see life right now, and that's the pray. I don't know my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think in the comment section still. I could do some reasoning within the comments. And so I say, I more love and respect man and prosperity man, and you know me I say God guide you know and protect you know and family, anyone at the end of the world. See? Yeah man, but the fire now burn against that. You see me, right? The fire now, but Abuja alone, I see kind of well a certain way, but Abuja still I get bashing same way. Cableton now to burn the fire again. Sizzler, like them afraid, you know, because them can go travel and make them money. So you can't to blame them and tell them not burn the fire. Even though people are saying them rich already, what more money they want for go tour. They've done reach out of the business lifetime, so they continue burn the fire. You see me? But me still I say, each man to their own decision, downfall and uprising. I don't know a lion foot. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. But Fanton, for go easy still. The man said if this leak out, it will bring a shame. We have to stop playing this deadly game. God. The viewers and subscribers, I'm out. But I don't want to think still. I don't know. Yeah.
Voice of iMatic song called produce. You don't know.
I must say I'm very impressed.
Yo, iMatic.
To commend you and say you can
Listen to one there from iMatic.
mix the white with butter roots.
iMatic.